Leo, I just want to show you that I'm just start the car and my dash cam is not working, or it's not turned on. So check this out. I'm driving, my dash cam does not work. So you see, I'm not having any picture. I'm driving the car. I don't know. And check this out. After 200 meters, I have a picture. Thank you.